Let's head to the courts where President of the Jamaica Basketball Association, Paulton Gordon, is hoping the recent shifting of the non-restricted age by the world governing body FIBA is the first step in revamping the eligibility criteria, which has sidelined a number of NBA stars looking to represent the country. Players will now be considered non-restricted if they secured a passport from the country they are looking to represent before turning 18, an increase from the previous cutoff of age 16. The restriction has prevented players such as Justin Champagny of the Washington Wizards, Julian Champagny from San Antonio Spurs, twins Amen Thompson and Houston Rockets, and Isar Thompson of Detroit Pistons from representing the island through having Jamaican parentage. According to Gordon, it is unfair to players who have genuine roots in the country they're looking to represent.
2 weeks ago, I was 16 to 18. So we continue to work to see what happens. Because there are some of these guys, for example, the Thompson twins, they have a home in Westmoreland. They come every year. So they're tied to the Jamaican economy and also our culture. Devin Vassell, he's pretty much here. They're looking for property in Western Jamaica. So we have a lot of these guys that it's not just by name, but they're integrated to what we want to do, and they're keen to support the development of basketball in Jamaica.
Okay. All right. FIBA has also clarified that the new passport eligibility rule will only apply to new cases and will not reopen past eligibility decisions.